Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you participated in the Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 and are wondering how to download your certificate, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps to get your certificate. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the official Pariksha Pe Charcha website. Just type in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 on Google or use the link in the description below. Once you are on the home page, look for the download certificate and click on it. Please select your role to download the certificate: student, teacher, student participation through teacher login, or parent. Step 2. Log in to your account using the credential you used when you registered for the event. Enter your details and click the login with OTP button. Next, you will receive OTP on your mobile and enter the OTP and click submit button. Step 3. Once logged in, look for the download certificate section and simply click the click here link and certificate will save to your device. Step 4. Open the downloaded certificate and check that all your details are correct. If everything looks good, congratulations, you are now all set with your official Pariksha Pe Charcha certificate, and that's it. It's that simple. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was useful, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.